Now, if you want to get a freelance project as beginner, because what happens is when you start on a freelancing website, what you would see is that you do not have any reviews and you won't get very quick responses as well. The very first thing that you do is that you sell your service at a very cheap rate and you provide huge amount of value, right? For example, if you are doing a gig of content writing, right, then if everyone is selling 200 words for content writing for $5, you say, I'll write 2,000 words, I'll do proofreading, well research, blah blah blah, for $5, right? Just provide huge amount of value for the very first gig, right? The problem is because on Fiverr.com you cannot offer it for free. On even on Upwork.com you cannot offer it for free, but choose the minimum amount that you can choose and provide huge amount of value, like extremely huge amount of value. That's the very first thing. The second thing is make sure that you share your profile on LinkedIn. Individually message all of your connections on LinkedIn. Tell them that this is the stuff that I've started doing. Can you please help me get a work? Extremely important that you do that. Make sure that you are attentive. Make sure you have got everything that's actually complete in there, and try to get one project from somewhere, from your connections, from your friends or whatever. Just try to get one project from them. चाहे आप even अपने भाई से, even from your friend, just ask them to create a profile on Fiverr. Just do that transaction and get that 5-star reviews, get that initial reviews, because once you have got one review, once you have got one job done, then it's much easier from there. Abhi shuru mein, for the first 3 jobs, what you do is you keep your price extremely low, keep value extremely high. Once you do 3 jobs, you can change your gig. Now you can put your prices up. Now you can sell it at the full rate. It's about doing those 3 jobs, exceeding the expectations, getting the best reviews. Once you have those reviews, then your freelancing career has started. Then it's much easier from there. What I know is that there are a lot of people who create their profile on Fiverr and then just sit like this, and then they say, I'm not getting any jobs. They say, I've created my profile on Fiverr, I'm not getting any jobs. There's so many people out there who started and they are getting jobs. Why are you not getting jobs, right? What are they doing there in their profile that they are getting jobs, right? And they started from somewhere as well. जितने भी लोग हैं Fiverr.com पे, उन्होंने भी जीरो से स्टार्ट किया हुआ ना, उनके पास भी जॉब्स आ रही हैं, वो वहां से जॉब्स बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. And that's why I told you a trick, that first of all, make sure that you are taking inspiration from an existing profile that's doing pretty well. Number 1. Number 2, reach out to your contacts and connection. और एक $5 की गिग, ₹250 की गिग जो है, किसी से, अपने दोस्त से, किसी से भी जो है वो करके जो है वो करवा लो, so that you get a review out of that. Once you have a review, then it's much easier to get further gigs. Of course, I know that getting first gig is difficult. Once you get first 2 to 3 gigs, then it's much easier from there. प्रॉब्लम क्या है हमारी जनरेशन की, दैट वी गिव अप टू फास्ट. लाइक आप क्या सोचते हो कि आपने लोग जो है वो वेट कर रहे हैं आपको काम देने के लिए, आपने फाइवर पे प्रोफाइल बनाई, लोग जो है आ जाएंगे, सर प्लीज जो है आप हमारा काम कर लीजिए. It doesn't happen like that, bro, in anything. Like if you are looking for jobs and stuff, if you are looking to do any business stuff, if you are looking to do freelancing stuff, right, the easiest thing to do in life is कि पहले अपने बैचलर्स करो, मास्टर्स करो, PhD करो, राइट? यही करते हैं हम लोग, पढ़ाई कुछ जाता नहीं है. एडमिशन जो है लेते रहते हैं माँ बाप के पैसों पे, एक लिया, दूसरा लिया, या एग्जाम की तैयारी कर ली थोड़ी बहुत खुश हो गए, एंट्रेंस निकल गया, फिर पढ़ाई कर ली, फिर बैचलर कर लिया, फिर मास्टर्स कर लिया, फिर PhD कर ली. जब आप रियल वर्ल्ड में जाओगे तो रियल वर्ल्ड डिफिकल्ट है. जॉब करना इज अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग, इंटरव्यू देना इज अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग, फ्रीलांसिंग इज अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग एज वेल. फ्रीलांसिंग के पर्क्स भी तो देखो आप कितने हैं. Of course, it's a difficult thing. Of course, ऐसा नहीं होता कि you just get started and then you'll start getting jobs. But what you have to do is you have to work towards it. But if you do it consistently, you will definitely get a